Struggling with quants in the FRM syllabus? Don't worry, it's common, but with the right guidance, you'll master the numbers and formulas quickly. You're not alone. Thousands of candidates face the same challenges: lack of time, confusing concepts, and fear of failure. But with the right approach, success is within reach. Failed and paid fees over and over. It's frustrating, right? All that money, gone, with nothing to show for it. Finuture Education is here to help. WhatsApp our team today and get looking for a prep provider that truly stands out. Finuture Education offers personalized guidance, interactive question-solving sessions, and the confidence you need to ace your exam. At Finuture Education, we've empowered hundreds of candidates to conquer FRM Level 1 faster than they ever thought possible. You could be next. We offer a personalized study planner and the best learning management system to keep you on track. With Finuture Education, you'll stay organized and focused every step of the way. At Finuture Education, we offer individual attention to every student, ensuring personalized support. Plus, our faculty brings real-world, practical experience, giving you insights you won't find anywhere else. At Finuture Education, we offer convenient weekend online classes, perfect for busy schedules. Plus, we simplify complex subjects, making them easier to understand and helping you succeed faster. Be best, learn from the best. Don't waste your precious time. Contact us now via WhatsApp or email at the number or address shown. Search Finuture on YouTube, subscribe, hit notifications, and check out our videos. Like and comment. Thanks for watching. Check our website www.finuture.com.